Hello, viewers. Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to Omomat Smile channel, OMS. Yay, welcome back. It's nice to have you back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Yay, it's nice to have you back. Today's topic is going to be on matrices. Yeah, so we're going to be looking at the basic concepts of matrix. Yeah, matrix have to do with a rectangular array of numbers. Yeah, matrix. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers that can be enclosed within brackets. Yes, we need to understand the meaning of matrix before we now look at some examples of matrices. Yeah, when you talk about matrix, we are talking about a rectangular array of numbers that are enclosed within brackets. Do we get that? Great. So let's look at some examples of matrices. So we have what is called, we are trying to look at some examples of matrices. Yes, good. Examples of matrices. Thank you. Okay, good. So we have what is called row matrix. Row matrix. When we talk about a row matrix, a matrix with only one row of elements is called a row matrix. Please note that a row matrix can also be more than one row of elements. So in this case, a matrix with one row of elements is called a row matrix. So we're going to look at some examples together for us to understand what I am talking about. And here is what I mean. Here we have an example of row matrix. You can see some numbers enclosed within a bracket. 2, 3, 4. Do we see that? Great. So this is a very typical example of a row matrix. Here is on a row. So we have a matrix of 1 by 3. Do we get that? So we can see here that 2, 3, 4 is an example of a row matrix and it has an order of 1 by 3. Good. Now let's look at another example of a row matrix. Here we have another number. We have 3, we have 5, we have 1. Then we have 2, 4, and 3. Yeah, this number are enclosed within a bracket. Yeah, just like the definition of a matrix. So this is another example of a row matrix. So we have those numbers I marked 3, 5, 1. 3, 5, 1. They are in a row. Yeah, they're in a row. Just like some students are in a row when they are asked to line up. Yeah, on a straight line. So 3, 5, 4 are in a row is an example of a row matrix. So in this case, we have 3 rows and 2 columns of matrix, 3 and 2. So we have 3 by 2 as an example of a row matrix. So we have 3 rows and we have 2 columns. 2 columns like 3 and 2. Yes, 3, 2, 5, 4, 1, 3. So those are in columns. We are still going to see examples, another example of matrix. Okay, so now we have 2 examples of a row matrix for you to understand what row matrix is all about. First, we have that of 2, 3, 4, 2, 1 by 3. Then here we have 3, 5, 1, 2, 4, 3. We have 2 rows, 3 rows, and 2 columns. Now let's look at another example of matrix, which is a column matrix. Yes, that's another example of matrix. That is column matrix. So also a matrix with only one column of elements is called a column matrix. When we talk about elements, we are talking about those numbers that are enclosed in the brackets or within the brackets. So a column matrix has only one column of elements. It can also be more than one column. Yeah. So we are going to look at an example together. And here is an example of what a column matrix is all about. Okay. So we have the matrix We have this matrix. I'm going to be writing it out now. Yeah, we have the matrix 5, 3, 1 enclosed within that bracket. This is a very good example of a colon matrix. So in this case, see that we have how many colon here? We have just one colon. Yeah, just one colon. So here we have, this is a very good example of a colon matrix. It has an order of 3 by 1. Yes, it has an order of 3 by 1. So it has just one colon. And how many rows does it have? Straight row, we have 5, 3, 1. It has one uh, row, right? So it has one colon, and we can also see the number of rows that it has. Do we get that? Okay, so that is a very good example. It has 3 rows, yeah. So that's a very good example of a colon matrix. Okay, good. So let's look at another example of a colon matrix. Here we have 3, 4, 2, 5. Yeah, 3, 4, 2, 5. Here it has 2 colon, 3 and 2. It has 2 colon of matrix, and it has 2 rows, 3 and 4. Yeah, 3 and 4, 2 and 5. It has 2 rows of matrix. Okay, so that's another example of colon matrix. So here we've been able to differentiate between a row matrix and a colon matrix. All right. So please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're yet to like my videos, please do not forget to like my videos, and please do not forget to share my videos to those who might find this to be educative and also uh, learn one or two things. We are going to be looking at together on matrices. You find this lesson to be interesting and interactive. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.